I needed some work done in a short amount of time, and I'm a truck driver, so my schedule is crazy. I needed some deep cleaning in my pockets, and they were able to see me on short notice. When I came in, they did a 360 scan of my teeth, and so they were able to pinpoint the exact problems that I was potentially going to have and had. Since the procedure, I feel like my gums aren't as sensitive to like cold water and stuff like that were able to help out. The procedure was quite painless. It was easy, fast, without even feeling rushed. Somebody called me the next day, which was pretty nice, just to check up to see how I was doing, if I had any issues, and if they needed me to come back in for anything. But I was all right, and I was back to normal with hours. I went to a doctor a few years ago, and I had the same procedure done, and it hurt. Because they have to go in and they have to really get in there, and it hurt. This time around, it was quite painless. He just went in, he knew exactly where he needed to be and focused on that, and I was in and out real quick, and it was easy. They laid out exactly what I needed done, so like for future, I already know what's going to happen in a month from now, and there was no surprises. Everything was laid out step by step by step, so there's no confusion. I would recommend Polaris Dental Specialist for one that you get in and out without being herded through like cattle. You know, they'll take their time with you and follow up with you if need be, and the doctor knows what he's doing. He's a specialist.